the reason
Mm.
why ang utak nilagay sa taas, mas mataas sa puso kasi kailangan mo rin mag-isip. Minsan,
Mhm.
the more kapag tinatamaan tayo, naiilaw tayo, nakakalimutan na natin mag-isip, 'di ba? If we're heightened in emotion, we always think less. That's the reason why
Oo.
hindi na
Yeah,
tayo
yeah, yeah.
nag-iisip, 'di ba?
Oo.
So, minsan kasi nabubulag tayo because of what's happening in front of us, pero hindi natin nakikita na ang dami na palang mali. Kaya nga lagi sinasabi nila, love is blind, 'di ba?
Tama
Nagpapakatanga tayo
naman.
dahil mahal tayo. Tapos sasabihin natin, hindi, nagmahal lang ako. But
Oo, tama.
actually, pwede kang magmahal na nag-iisip ka din, 'di ba? 'Di ba?
'Yun,
'Di ba
And
sabi nga
ibang part daw ng
hindi, sa isa pa, ito, honestly, ito yung pinaka-importante sa akin. First and foremost, if you really want to be in a relationship, first you have to love yourself. You have to love
tama.
yourself
Mhm.
better than sa pagmamahal mo doon sa tao na yun. Kasi kung ay mahal mo ang sarili mo, you know your worth, you know your value, you know kung ano yung dapat mong expect. You have to be
Mhm.
respected, you need an assurance, you need security. And if hindi yun nabibigay ng sa karelasyon mo, why will you stay? Kasi 'di ba, supposedly relationship, it feels like heaven. But it feels like hell, then it's not a relationship at all. Better walk away.
Tama. And then, yun nga, tama naman si Papi
shit, ang
Dennis
lalim, may
talaga na,
mood.
love yourself. Kasi sabi nga nila, you cannot love yourself without loving, I mean, you cannot love others without loving yourself. You
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
give
Yeah.
what you don't have in life, 'di ba?